Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to be doing a kind of tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial in a really long time, but it's just going to be a video where I am going to be using some drugstore makeup products. I am first going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I really liked this foundation when I used it in my full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics, which I can leave linked down below. But I was excited to film this video because I feel like this will be a good kind of, oh, this was so light, I forgot. This will be kind of like a good way for me to see all of those products again that I have been using in full face videos. I film a ton of full face videos and I end up really liking like a lot of the products that I use in my full face videos, but then I kind of like forget about them because I go back to my regular products that I use on a daily basis. I think that's really mainly a thing for my complexion products. Things like blushes and brow products and mascaras, I do, if something like really wows me, it does end up coming into like my daily routine. For example, like the e.l.f. HD powder, I love this stuff like a lot and I have been using it a lot lately. Okay, I feel like that foundation was so light, but it like is not too light for my neck. I've been wearing a lot of sweaters and like turtlenecks lately, so that's probably it. So I bought this concealer today from Makeup Revolution, and don't get mad at me because it's not a drugstore product. Like, you can get it in the drugstore section of Ulta, and like, it is what it is. I'm about to use it. Ooh, but this is thick and sticky. This reminds me a lot of the, oh my god, this is like sticky. This reminds me a lot of the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, which people would die for, but that's just like so thick. Oh my god, this is so sticky, it's like hurting. That's full coverage though. I bet that you could mix this in with like a moisturizer and kind of create like a foundation with this and kind of like, you know, mold it to be the way that you want. This is the Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. I will see about that crease proof claim because this is thick. Like, I don't know how this would be crease proof unless it's so sticky that it just kind of like stays where it's at. So I don't hate the concealer. It's a very full coverage, and I'm glad it's not like a matte finish. It's almost like a full coverage dew, which I don't mind. Like, I kind of like it. Since she claims to be crease proof, I am going to like put the teeniest amount on my eyelids. And I'm just going to use that as a eyeshadow base. I am going to set my skin with that e.l.f. HD powder. It's like a really nice powder. Mine is in the shade Soft Luminance. Ooh, why is my ear so red? Let's cover it up. So at Ulta today, I picked up a Milani Baked Bronzer, and this is in the shade Soleil, and it was 50% off, so hopefully it's okay. It's like a little orangey, but also I feel like I can get away with that. Like, it doesn't look horrible. I feel like I should have used this brush. This big, humongous one. It's not too late. There are like chunks of glitter in it. Like, there's definitely glitter all over my face. But I don't see that as a bad thing. Like, I'm not upset about it. I kind of want to put some on my nose. Oh yeah, Super Sunkissed in November. I'm into it. I like it. One of my favorite drugstore blushes is actually from Milani as well, and this is the Baked blush in Rose Dioro. Rose Dioro. I love this blush. And I know you guys are going to ask about my nails. I did just get my nails done. They are like a holographic glitter over top of a pale pink, but I asked the girl to put 2 coats of the holographic glitter on because like I just can't control myself, and she warned me that it would end up making my nails look a little bit more gray, but I did it anyway because I just love glitter so much. And yeah, they do look a little bit gray, but I kind of really like them. I kind of feel really good. I like how bronzy my skin looks right now, and like how glowy I look. So I picked up a highlighter that I have been trying out, and this is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. And it just looks like this. I believe it's Kathleen Lights who really likes this highlight. So I've been trying her out, and it's very beautiful. It's definitely like a soft, very much natural looking highlight. I almost think depending on the brush that you use, you could use it kind of like all over the skin. Ooh, are you guys into the new highlights from Jaclyn Hill? I haven't watched the video yet. The video's been out for a couple of days too, but I've kind of been wanting to wait to watch it with my boyfriend. But he was kind of into the Jaclyn Hill like lipstick drama, so we were kind of into that together, and I kind of want to wait to watch the highlight video with him. But the highlights, I'm gonna put a little bit through my brows right now, but the highlights actually come out on my birthday, November 26th, so I kind of want to get them just because they come out on my birthday, you know? I have the Milani Pure Passion palette right here, and I bought this on sale a little while ago, and it is a really nice drugstore eyeshadow palette. It just looks like that. It's super duper pretty. This shade right here is awful though, which is really upsetting. Oh my god, okay. But that shade right there, real quick, is really awful. Like, very awful. I don't like it at all. And then I noticed at Ulta, both of these palettes are in clearance now. So I picked up the cool toned one as well. I'm not going to use a cool tone one today because I'm very bronzed today. I don't want to like ruin that. If you guys would be interested in a cool toned makeup video, maybe like a cool toned drugstore video, let me know. Ooh, maybe like a cool toned eye look with a red lip. That would be very, very unlike me, but it's kind of good to come out of my comfort zone a little bit, you know? Not that it would like be a go-to look for me, but it's fun to try new things. So I don't know if I already said, I'm just taking this shade right here and I like just put it all over the crease. I have forgotten how to do my makeup on camera. I totally forgot to tell you guys, but that's what I am doing right now. I'm going to take this shade and that shade, like both of these, and I'm gonna mix it on this very teeny tiny little blending brush. And I'm just going to kind of keep it on the outer corner. I like using a really teeny brush for darker colors because if it's too big and then it's like a little scary, and this is just not as intimidating. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a little bit pinky gold. Just blending things out again because I don't like when too much shimmer gets on the like outer bit. I just like to keep that like nice and matte. So I'm taking that same little brush, but I'm only getting that first color that we used right there. I'm only getting that on the brush, and I'm going to line my lower lash line with it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown. I actually have a NYX brow pencil that I really like. It's like the Fluff and Brow. It's in the other room, and I don't want to go get it. So if you did not know, I film in the bonus room of my house, which is right next to my actual room. I just film in this room because it's like doesn't have as much going on as my room, and there's like a window that I can sit right in front of. I have like a window on the same wall in my room, but the background is just like messy. I will use this product from NYX though. This is the Bare With Me Cannabis Seed Oil, the brow setter. I don't really know why everything has to be like CBD weed related. It's so gimmicky. I am going to do a little bit of a smoky liner, and I'm going to take the darkest shade in that palette. It's kind of like a brown purple, and I just like to take a liner brush, just kind of like stamp the shadow around my lash line. I do like to do like extend it out just a little bit, but not anything super crazy. And just clean up right underneath to make it kind of like a little bit sharp. Alright, well I did kind of make a wing, but I like this version of a wing. I love like a smoky liner wing. I really do not like how regular liner looks on me, like a black liquid liner. I almost wish that the new pro tip from Glossier was in a brown, because I am much more likely to use a brown liner, like a brown liquid liner, before a black, just because I really do not like how it looks on me, like at all. So Sincerely Sarah C said that she uses the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and her lashes look incredible. So I bought this last night because Ulta was doing 5 times the points on mascaras, and I also have 4 times the points because I'm a Diamond member, and then I have 2 times the points because it's my birthday month, so I was getting hella points. And I bought several new mascaras. I bought the Telescopic from L'Oreal. I also picked up the Voluminous Carbon Black because I feel like this mascara is popular, and then I picked up 3 of the ColourPop colored mascara, so I'm excited about those. But I used this mascara this morning just to like try it out. Like I wasn't wearing any other makeup. I'll show you. How gorgeous. I mean, like, can't believe this mascara cost me like $10. I just can't believe it. I'm going to use the Milani lip liner in the shade Most Natural. I just picked this up today. Ooh. I like it. Honestly, this video should have just been like full face of Milani. I think I'm gonna put the lip gloss on. I think I'm gonna put this on. The e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. I think that was the right decision. Alright, I have a surprise for you guys, and I don't think that you're expecting this. Dang, it's like really not the same color, but I bought me and Wilma, my Wilma girl, I bought us the same sweatshirt. Well, like I wanted us to have the same color sweatshirt. And yeah, so we're just both wearing green sweatshirts. Who wore it better? Wilma, definitely, for sure. You love me, girl? Well, anyway, that is going to be it for me today. Hopefully you enjoyed creating this look with me. It's not anything revolutionary, but it's actually really beautiful. I really like all of the products that I used. I'm especially excited for this bronzer. I probably will like it a lot a lot in the summertime when I'm really super tan. Obsessed with this highlight. I cannot wait to get more use out of it. Really digging these Milani lip liners. Those are really nice. Lip combo's nice. Mascara, how could I forget? The L'Oreal Telescopic. Wow, wow, wow. Like, really like this guy. But that is going to be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wilma really wants to be put down so she can go play, but I just love her so much. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully we see you next time.